Hello students, welcome back again. I am Sheikh Fatima, your English teacher. I welcome you all on our audio-visual presentation. In our previous lecture, we have begun with a chapter Into the Wild, and we have already completed the part 1 Lost in the Jungle. Today, we are going to continue with next part, that is tracking the panther of Nagarhole. I would like to show you a short journey with Shahjang while tracking down the panther. This clip is only for study purpose, no more promotion of anything.
My name is
go through
Charles
the clip.
Jung, and I'm a big cat specialist, a wildlife photographer and a cinematographer. I was 22 when I encountered my first leopard. It was a father and a son, both sizing each other up for territory. Just as we were heading back to leave, and as the sun was setting, we saw them moving towards each other. The next morning, we returned to the same spot to see what happened, and there he was, the young leopard, sitting on a fallen log as if it was his throne. He had a huge scar across his face, and that's when we named him Scarface. Though Scarface was the present and my future, my past was what triggered this passion towards wildlife. Kabini is only 4 hours away from Bangalore, but it's a world away from a city life. With its dense forests, tall and twisted trees, perennial streams, and steep valleys, Nagarhole National Park is one of the few places on earth where you can encounter both big cats and magnificent tuskers in their natural environment. So when I was very young and my parents were building their first wildlife resort, because I was too young to be left alone in the city, my father and my mother raised me in a little stone cottage they built in 1988. I had no friends, I had no social life back then. From, I'd say, 2 months to when I was 4, I'd see this elephant called Lakshmi every day. And we built a very strong bond. It's been, I think, 8 to 9 years now since I've met Lakshmi. Word is, Lakshmi is back, and today is reunion day. Meeting Lakshmi was an emotionally powerful moment in my life. Having not seen her, just shows how life can pass you by. While exploring the forest, I realized how bad the situation was between man and animal. And that's why we came up with BCRTI, the Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. That trust mainly dealt with teaching the locals how important it was to conserve wildlife, teaching them how ecotourism is a tool for conservation.
ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಜಮೀನಿದೆ ಒಂದು 10 ಎಕರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದು ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಕೋಪ ಇತ್ತು. ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ BCRT ಮತ್ತು ಬೈಸನ್ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆವಾಗ ಅವರು ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸಫಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆವಾಗ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆವಾಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು, ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು.
Today, Mahadev Gowda has risen through the ranks from an agriculturist who absolutely detested wildlife to now being the head naturalist at our camp and also being a head accountant. The black panther is one of the world's most elusive and enigmatic animals. He is not a species, he is a genetic mutation. It is one of the world's most difficult animals to track, and in this forest, which is 643 square kilometers, there is only one panther. The Black Panther has taught me to never stop discovery, and through him, we've discovered so much of the forest and its flora and fauna. It's an ode to these animals that have taught me to live in the moment because they have no concept of time as they live in the moment. And I get my inspiration from capturing those moments.
This part is about Shazjang, who has first encountered Scarface, an alpha male leopard. In the jungle, Shaz developed a close connection with Scarface leopard, and he had started documenting on individual leopard. Shazjang is a wildlife photographer, cinematographer, big cat tracker, man conflict resolution seeker, and lodge owner, all rolled in one. That means Shazjang is a wildlife photographer. He photographs wildlife, cinematographer, and he is a big cat tracker. He also tracks big cat just like tiger, leopard. Man conflict resolution seeker and lodge owner. He also solves the conflict between man and animal, and he is also an owner of a lodge. When he is away from the jungle of Nagarhole, officially called Rajiv Gandhi National Park, he leading photography safaris in Africa or showcasing his work at art galleries in capital cities and speaking to those interested in conserving the planet richer. In simple term, it means when he is away from Nagarhole, which is officially called Rajiv Gandhi National Park, he is busy doing photography safari in Africa or displaying his artwork at art galleries in capital cities, in big cities, or to speaking to those who is interested in conserving the planet rich. It was somewhere around the sunset. We were at junction. The deer were calling. He says we went around a blind turn. Now it was almost sunset and they were at the junction and they can hear the calling of a deer. Then they took a blind turn and where they even didn't knew where the turn will take them. He continues and up ahead on the path was a old leopard. When they continued going on the same direction, there they found an old leopard. He had only 3 cannons. His eyes were sagging. Close to this leopard was another very young good-looking male who was soon to come into his prime. That means he had only 3 cannons, 3 pointed teeth, the front one and the down. And his eyes were sagging. Sagging, it was loose. Close to this leopard there was another leopard who was young, good-looking male, and it was very sure that he was going to take over his rule over the jungle. Then it was looking at the past and the present. It was clear that there was going to be a fight. Here past and the present represent past the old leopard and the present the young good looking leopard, and it was very clear when they were face to face, then soonly there was going to be a fight between them. Unfortunately, Shaz has to leave the spot because of sunset, but he returned the same spot next morning. Sitting high rock was the young leopard. Blood was dripping from a gash across his face. He sat there like he was king of the jungle. When the next morning he went back to the same spot, the leopard was sitting high on the rock as if he was the king of a jungle, and in his face there was a blood which was dripping down. Through my journey of photographing, I also discovered the current protagonist of my work, Saya, while tracking Scarface. This is the world's first Black Panther loose to their habitat. His journey of photographing, he discovered the current main character of his work, that is Saya. While he was tracking down the Scarface, the leopard who have scar in his face. So this leopard was the first Black Panther, and he is about to lose his habitat. That means Saya doesn't belong there, which means he had adopted himself in that situation. This adaptive minimalism make him unique. He developed this beautiful characteristic. Since his skin wore a black coat, it will absorb heat faster than the average leopard. Also, unlike most leopard, he loved the rain. Whenever there was a thunderstorm, he would climb up a dead tree to enjoy it, whereas the other leopard tend to take cover under a thick undergrowth. Understanding this characteristic based on the weather and habitat was the key to track this leopard. In dry season, elephant and wild boar incursion into the field are very common. So when there is no rain, so when they find shortage of food to eat, the elephant and the wild boar get into the field, and this was very common. Learning about them and lose to their habitat has led Shahs to create Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. So when they started losing their habitat, their place, so Shah has created a trust. That trust name was Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. It is an agency that educate villagers who live on the fringe of the forest on an importance of conservation. This agency educate to those people, to those villagers who was living on the border of the forest on the importance of conservation. The older leopard, like pandas, who have lost territory in the forest, often carry away livestock from village. This creates resentment among the locals toward the animal on occasions, leading to unpleasant situation. That means, like Padas, who was old enough and who had even lost his territory, his rule over the jungle. So many a time it happened that he intrudes into the village and he take away the livestock, maybe like cow or goat. So this created a tense kind situation between the local, and it was happening just because of the leopard. Under the BCRTI umbrella, Shahs provide local with vocational training with aim of educating local on the merits of conservation and help them benefit from tourist currency. So under this trust, Shahs had started providing local a vocational training, a seasonal training, and his aim was to educate the local and to get the benefit of conserving the forest and to get benefit of tourism currency. Madegowda is such one local agriculturalist who is trained at BCRTI and is now a certified naturalist employed by the bison. Madegowda is the village such who had been trained under BCRTI and now they are been certified by bison. He says, I have known this jungle for 35 years. I know where the animal are. I realize I can guide visitor and get paid for it. In a way, the animal are paying me back. So the villager is saying that he knows this village for more than 35 years. So he know where the animal can be found. So he says that I can guide the tourist where they can pay me. And this is how the animal are paying him back. In the past, I have lost almost 80% of the seasonal yield of sugarcane to such animals' attack. I used to hate them, but now I have learned how important this animal are and the value of protecting them. Initially, they used to lose their feel because of the wild animal attack, but now they have learned how the wild animal could be the benefited them. They have learned the value of this animal and they have started protecting them. Forests have taught me many things. For instance, listening is a sense far more important than sight. You have to switch off your vehicle, sit and listen. For the forest is constantly communicating through the voices of bird and animal. He explained, tracking an animal also teaches you life lesson. Shah says that forest has taught him many things, like listening is a sense far more important than seeing. That means if you have a power of listening, then you can easily hear the call of the jungle. The voice comes from the jungle, the voice of bird, animal. You just have to do is to switch off your vehicle, sit and listen. The forest constantly communicate through various voice of bird and animal. He explained that animal also teaches you life lesson. The Black Panther had taught me patience, but above all it has taught me to never stop discovering. There are just so many amazing experiences to learn and share with the world. As Black Panther, while tracking the Black Panther, he had learned many things like to be patient, to wait for things, and never to stop exploring. There are many amazing experiences to learn and to share with the world. Shaz says that this leopard had taught him to love, move on, live by the day through their little struggle and victories. Human worries about tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and the next year. The cat leave forgetting their food, water, and other necessities each day. They don't care about the passing of time. They don't even care how old they are and when they are going to die, in few years or in few days. It teaches him to live by the day. It teaches him to live its life to the fullest, to enjoy each and every. They help him to understand the circle of life, and we all are a part of it. Scar-faced may be a leopard, the leopard who have scar in his face, and I, a human, but at the end of the day, we are animals, he concluded. He completed his sentence by saying that Scarface may be a leopard, but I am a human. And end of the day, we all are the human. He completed his sentence. So here we have completed our chapter. I hope you have enjoyed the chapter. Now here comes your assignment.